All the best.
Thank you.
Hello, everyone. I hope everybody is doing fine. Finally, we could say bye bye to 2020 and a whole new year, of course. Another 365 new days, new hope, new brightness, new, you know, looking forward to the best thing happening. uh, 2021 and जो भी जितना भी हमारे 2020 में एक्सपीरियंस रहा है उसको हम like gear up करके we'll just are heading towards 2021 today. Of course, this meeting, we have very brilliant individuals along with us today. और हमारा इस मीटिंग को कहते हैं कि नो योर मेंबर. तो मैं थोड़ा सा बता दूं, ग्लोबल वेडिंग नेटवर्क ये जो है, दिस हैज एक्चुअली बीन एस्टैब्लिश्ड with the intention of connecting the trend of the wedding industry. Wedding industry में बहुत कुछ होता है. मतलब you have the moment we talk about wedding, it's the venue, it's the grandeur and food. But wedding industry में सिर्फ वो नहीं होते. फ्लोरिस्ट होते हैं, तेरे छोटे मोटे वेंडर्स होते हैं, म्यूजिशियंस होते हैं, मेरे तरह एंकर्स एंड सिंगर्स होते हैं, आइसक्रीम्स होते हैं, पान वालाज होते हैं, एंड छोटे छोटे ऐसे बहुत सारे कनेक्ट होते हैं वेडिंग में, जहां पर जो गेस्ट वहां पर आते हैं दे कनेक्ट. ओहो क्या बढ़िया था वो जो गोलगप्पे खाए ना उस पर्टिकुलर वेडिंग का, मजा आ गया. और हमारे अगर हम नॉर्थ इंडिया से थोड़ा सा अगर हम ईस्टर्न इंडिया की तरफ जाते हैं तो वेडिंग में वहां पर फिश एंड चिकन, इसकी भी वैरायटी बहुत सारा होता है. बट पेट पूजा करने के बाद जब हम थोड़ा थोड़ा डेजर्ट की तरफ जाते हैं, वो थोड़ा सा मतलब एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी हो जाए तो पूरे वेडिंग का जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट हो जाता है. हाँ, क्यों मैं बता रही हूँ उसके बारे में हम थोड़ी देर में बात करेंगे, लेकिन मैं बता दूं, विद द इंटरनेट नाउ रीचिंग एवरी नूक एंड कॉर्नर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, नाउ दिस इज द आइडिया दैट वी हैव. We talk about the people and connect everyone who's associated with the wedding industry, the collaboration and of course togetherness. एक दूसरे को हम कैसे हेल्प कर सकते हैं through this global networking group and come out as the biggest achiever. Trust me, it is possible. Like-minded people, when they're together, sharing their experiences and expertise or helping each other, you understand it is definitely possible. We envision, and of course, we put our vision statement to be remembered by all the wedding business owners. Of course, we want to connect with the world. It's not only about India. India connecting everywhere these days. So international platforms, international corners, and trust me, Indians can do wonders anywhere they go. And I'm sure, we already have proved that every single time. Now, of course, to have this kind of platform of with they can share, where they can share their moments, business life, triumphs, failure, and everything, and of course feel at home that yes, if I have to count on somebody, I have people professional to count on. In the process, we would love to be recognized as the search engine platform for all the wedding vendor related search queries across the world. Of course, our mission is to take color competition among wedding partners, the real pandemic one in the city at time. Of course, our vision is to become the worldwide community of wedding business owners that grow together, thus get recognized as a reliable partner to share business moments, both triumphs and failures. Now, why we are talking about the failures? Because कभी भी कुछ भी कभी भी ऐसे इधर उधर हो सकता है. But when we know that there are professional and people to help you, you know that you don't have to worry about anything. Well, wedding is not about only getting two families marrying each other. It's more to it, especially for Indians. And on that note, I would like to invite today's member. We have Shweta Khurana. Of course, she is beautiful and very vibrant. And you will not believe that product she is dealing with. नीरज जी हमारे साथ है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स प्रमोदिनी भी हमारे साथ है, एंड of course we are going to be talking to Shweta ma'am. Let me tell you, looking at her, she is out and out and thoroughly professional dealing with her product. जब मैं बात कर रही थी उनके प्रोडक्ट के बारे में, she was very very emotionally attached with the product. You know why? Because I believe the way the product is made and the way she's doing the business for the product, it is very emotional. Why? Because she is not compromising with the people's health. Now you must be wondering कि सीरीन बोल क्या रही है, बहुत टाइम से बोली जा रही है, बोली जा रही है. Yes, Yatin is here. Welcome, Yatin. So Shweta ma'am, she is dealing with Molly Moo. नाम तो बहुत ही टेम्पटिंग सा है, एंड आई एम श्योर ये प्रोडक्ट भी आप सुनोगे ना और देखोगे, और जब इनके बारे इनसे सब कुछ डिटेल्स आपके पास आएगा, तो ये जो टेम्पटिंग सा नाम है ना, इसके साथ साथ आपके जी भी ललचा जाएगा. कहते हैं कि विंटर में आइसक्रीम, इट कैन बी रियली रियली वेरी गुड, बट विंटर में आइसक्रीम खाने से गला दर्द तो नहीं होगा? चलिए ये सारे डिटेल्स हम जब हमारे मेंबर्स को जानेंगे, नो योर मेंबर्स में सारे डिटेल्स पता करते हैं. श्वेता मैम, वेलकम टू आवर वंडरफुल शो, एंड thank you for looking so gorgeous and giving us all the motivation the first day of the year.
Thank you so much, Serene. Such a wonderful and such a heartwarming welcome. Really glad to be a part of this amazing group on day one of the year. So the positivity with which we started our morning, it has shooted up really high. So my very very warm good evening to everybody. Though I am into a cool business of ice creams, but yes, a good health and purity is what we claim for. And thanks for this amazing platform that you have created. I think this last 2020 we all have worked on creating a collaboration, and hats off to you people, Neeraj, Pramodni, Yatin, Varun, Serene, who have really worked so hard to create such a wonderful platform where people like who are a very small segment of wedding session, though we add a lot of sweetness and memories after the wedding, but to have members like us who are actually going to otherwise be completely scattered. So it's a wonderful platform, and I'm really grateful to be here on day one, sharing my experience and connecting with you all. Over to you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. And you're in the cool business. Trust me, the moment the ice cream goes inside our mouth, melts, we have the warmth from our hearts. So it's cool and it's warm at the same time. Trust me. So before we actually talk about Molly Moo, where exactly this tempting name came from, how exactly you thought of going into ice cream business where already there is some established brand are there in the market, I just want to know little start about yourself. What are you, who are you, and like how exactly you started thinking that we can have a business with completely a different सेगमेंट ऑल टुगेदर. क्योंकि हम सोचते हैं कि वीमेन है मतलब फैशन ज्वेलरी होएगी या फिर अटायर होगा या फिर ऐसे शूज होंगे, एक्सेसरीज होंगे, बट you with Molly Moo ice cream, I mean, how exactly these things?
Shireen, one is that Khurana, so it is like a Punjabis. Now that you're married to Punjabi, you would understand how close we are to food, So food and Khuranas, Punjabis, they go hand in hand. So basically, if I just start with my beginning, I belong to Punjab. I did my MPhil in English literature. Till that time, before my marriage, I was settled in Punjab. So my husband did all his schooling, from Missouri, and then his MBA and engineering. So I was quite clear that I want to get married to a guy who's into a corporate, job. So got a very good match. My husband was working with Dabur at that time, and we both are from business families. So our first posting was to Pune. We stayed in Pune for a while. Then he changed his job. We moved to Delhi, then Bombay for 6 years, Chennai for 3 years. So we were moving around all the time. So his last job was in Bombay when we were. I was there into a catering business with international schools. I was managing the healthy kitchens for Bombay Scottish, for Hiranandani Foundation, for Godrej, so various schools in Bombay. So that was the time when I realized that there is a very, very large potential for healthy food market. And being a mother, each mother has a concern that create something which a mother can give without a second thought to the child. So, we were providing hot, fresh, healthy meals in the schools. So that was a large demand. My husband switched his job. He moved to Rajasthan as Airtel head for Rajasthan. That's how we came to Jaipur. So now by that time, the idea of creating something unique, it became very, very strong in both of us. So one of the days it happened that we were visiting an exhibition, this a typical exhibition which we all would have known, Ahar. So we tasted an ice cream. Before that, also it happened that sometime in Italy, we tasted some ice cream which was like pistachio. And the moment we had, we both were looking at each other that why don't we get this stuff in India? And why do people keep saying कि ice creams खाने का मजा तो विदेश में है? Why this cannot happen in India? So that is where actually the thought started. So we shifted to Jaipur in 2013. By 2014, my husband, he left his job, and we decided that we'll create something which does not exist before. So that was the clear funda. Now, after doing the case study for almost 4 years, we kept on studying brands, all the top brands in India as well as internationally. So Naturals always used to be the top name. So we never thought, to copy somebody. So he always used to say that if you want to win with somebody who plays, Sachin Tendulkar who plays cricket well, don't play cricket with him, play chess with him. So don't focus on fruits. We cannot beat them because they're really masters. They have their forte. They have the experience of 35, 40 years. Learn what they have created and find the gaps that they have not done. So when we studied the market, we realized there's a large market for chocolates. There is a large market for liqueur ice creams, a very large market for international flavors like cookies and cream, salted caramel, and stuff like that. So we started working upon all the flavors. Fruits became secondary to us for a while. So after we created the whole concept, then there was another thing. Then we were studying international brands parallelly, where we studied Haagen Dazs, we studied Movenpick, all of them. And then we realized in countries like US, if you talk about today's share, there is a large takeover that has been taken by the new brands like Rebel. There is Hello Top, which claim to be health-based ice creams because they all work on high protein level rather than high fat level. So then we realize that there is a lot of potential. Why not start only with the healthy ice cream? So there are two things. If you have to make ice cream tasty and creamy, either you can increase the fat level or you can have a high protein level. So we chose with the new technology of creating high protein. So our ice creams, if you compare it with any of the top brands, our ice creams are at 5% fat level, and all other ice creams, they are at 17% fat levels without any compromise on taste and flavor. It is like complete mouthful feel, pure natural, pure, no color, no artificial flavors. So that was basically the case study of the flavors. Now, second point that you asked me about the name. So name was again something, normally you will see that when people create a brand or a name, either they will start with their name or they'll start with something which is very common to that brand, Berrylicious or Tastylicious or something like that. So we thought again a lot about Naturals. We were like, Naturals has got such an amazing name because we have been seeing our friends. Even if the husband is diabetic, he'll say diabetic hai, but natural to natural hai. Aaj mera fast hai, but natural to natural hai. So we always used to feel, they really have a good advantage. But now if we say anything like Au Natural, NIC Naturals or Supernaturals, it becomes like a sidekick of Naturals. So why not create something which is like, you see the image and you don't have to tell that it's a natural ice cream. So Molly Moo somehow, it came as a cartoon character which was established in 2000, I think, 19. So 1919, sorry. So 1919. So it was like when Tom and Jerry was started. So around that period. But Tom and Jerry was an interesting cartoon. It went very well. So the Molly Moo cartoon was extremely boring. Even we could not see one episode. But the cow character was very cute. So we really liked the character. So we thought of picking that cow and animated it, further. And we created a cafe in a Swiss farm sort of a format. So it's a complete farmhouse sort of a setting where there is a cute cow. She already tells you about the goodness of cow, the funny part of cow, the loving nature, the purity, the health. So everything comes along with that. Then we did a lot of rehearsal when we made people say Molly Moo. So I spoke to some 85 years old grandmother. I spoke to the rickshawala guy, the auto guy, to a young child that are you able to spell Molly Moo? Are you able to say Molly Moo? Does it register your mind quickly? So, more or less it did. So even if it went wrong, it was like Muli Moo or Mauli Moo or, slight twist. The best part was when children used to say, okay, cow, I want to go that cow wala place. वो गाय वाला जगह पे जाना है. So rickshaw वाला भी okay, जहाँ बाहर गाय लगी है. So that really created a connect with the name and the brand. So we really like the name, and the youth and the young generation, they really associated well. So after 4 years of case study, we launched our first cafe, which became a complete talk of the town, and Jaipur accepted us quite well. So that is how the journey began. So you're on mute. Yeah.
Yes. I believe, Jaipur accepted you. I mean, we all already have trying, dying to try the taste of your Molly Moos. Okay, now I'll come to the flavor that you're talking about. First, though, one thing which really struck very, in my head, that is, we are talking about protein-based ice cream here, right? We are not talking about fat-based.
No.
So most of the ice creams that we have is actually fat based, which are not always good for our health. Right. But Molly Moo is concentrating on protein based, which is, we all know, it is always good. Right. Okay. Now, Shweta, I really wanted you to, continue talking about it, because now we are going to be talking about the flavors, because एक liquor का कुछ आया हुआ था, being a bong married to a Punjabi, 8 बजे के बाद तो हमारा शुरू हो ही जाता है type. But there is a person called Yatin Sangoi, and he's a singer. और singer हमारे तरह बहुत सारे हमारे group में भी है, and there are a lot of people who are watching also. Now, if they want to have ice cream, तो आप उनके लिए कुछ tips देना चाहते हैं, because हमें लगता है कि the moment we have ice cream, it's all gone.
Yeah. See, when I said that with ice cream, there are a lot of myths which are associated. First of all, I would really want to share a small detail what actually ice cream is. Since generations, because in India, you'll see that normally people will say, relate that ice cream खाओगे और गला खराब हो जाएगा. But same people, if you see, when they travel abroad, they will eat a lot of ice cream in large quantities, and they'll say, यहाँ पे ice cream के साथ में गला खराब नहीं होता. In fact, winters में they'll eat it even more. Now, there is a simple logic. There is one thing which is called frozen dessert. There's another thing which is called ice cream. So supposing I don't take a name of a brand, but any XY brand, whether it is Quality Walls or Vadilal or any of these, brands which you get that in a brick form. So they are not actually milk based, they are oil based brands, right? So supposing you buy a brick which says, 1 liter. So now if it is a 1 liter brick, ideally the weight should be 1 kg, but it says 510 grams. So if it is 510 grams, where is the rest? 490 grams. That 490 grams is the loading of the air. It is the air loading which is done in the ice cream to make it very fluffy and smooth. So once you taste it, it tastes like foam. So if you have a very high fat level, you can load a lot of air. If the fat level is not high, you cannot load so much of air. That's a simple technique. So to make it cheaper and to make it more fluffy, the moment you add refined oil to it or any of the oils to it, and then when it becomes cold, it gets very bad on your throat. That is how the association of ice cream is said that आपका गला खराब हो जाएगा. But when you come to a premium ice cream, आप घर पे अगर कभी ठंडा दूध भी पीते हो, which is at a normal temperature, the moment you take a spoon of ice cream, by the time it goes to your throat, it comes to a normal temperature. It does not hit your throat. वो आपको ठंडा सिर्फ आपकी टंग तक लगेगा, गले तक नहीं लगेगा, provided you are not gulping it. एकदम से उसको भर के swallow नहीं कर रहे हो. So it does not hurt your, throat. And second is there is no essence. Whatever you are having is a pure paste, fruit form or a dry fruit paste. And like supposing vanilla. Normal ice cream, people who use vanilla essence is like 200 rupees for half a liter. We use French vanilla bean, which is 15,000 rupees for a kg. So people have not tasted that what actually French vanilla ice cream is. Our ice cream has black specks in it, the dots of vanilla in it. It is not white in color. It is like off-white, creamish in color. So that is how where the purity matters. So you will never stop your children to say, like my children in this peak winters, they are eating ice creams, and I never stop them. The only difference is that in summers they will have all the milkshakes also. They're not having milkshakes in this season, but dessert is still the ice cream, and I never stop. And now we can't eat any other ice cream. So we are so. But in case you still feel that you have a tendency where you want to have ice cream and you feel that any sort of courses, it's good to have maybe a lukewarm water of after 10 or 15 minutes. But good ice creams, they're not bad for your throat at all. I can completely. And in case agar lage, we have flavors like liqueur. So liqueur is always good for your throat. We have in rum. So have rum ice cream. We also have ginger ice cream, ginger and honey. So all flavors for your throat.
Right, Shweta. I think, I really want to give you a hug. I know this is a pandemic. We're supposed to be maintaining distance, but this is such a great news for, mothers, because mothers always struggle with their kids, especially when it comes to ice cream. I always tell my son is absolutely an ice cream freak. He wants to have breakfast, in breakfast he wants to have ice cream, lunch, evening snacks, dinner, every time. So it's like crazy situation, and it's very difficult. So, mother actually becomes the villain when they say no, no ice cream.
No.
Now the moment I'm going to be saying that, it's the yes to Malimu, he would be the bestest, he'll be the happiest person on this world.
And you'll become a good mom.
I'm sure. I'm really honored, and I'm feeling really happy about it. Now Pramodini and Neeraj, इन दोनों को मैं बताना चाहती हूँ कि अभी हम लोग फ्लेवर्स में आ रहे हैं. आप अपना अपना लिकर का जो फ्लेवर है एक बार ध्यान में लाइएगा, because Shweta already mentioned that we have liqueur ice cream, which is very unique to itself. Oh, look at Pramodini. अभी सुरूर चढ़ा नहीं और हम डांस करना शुरू कर दिए. Right, so Shweta, really we are looking forward to all the flavors के ये liquor ice cream का concept भी कहाँ से आया, और क्योंकि this is such an unique thing, क्योंकि हमने कभी सुना नहीं. हमने कभी कभी रम बॉल सुना है, और कभी कभी कुछ प्लम केक्स में भी वो रम का फ्लेवर आता है, लेकिन लिकर आइसक्रीम का अगर मतलब हम सोचेंगे तो डेफिनेटली इट विल बी फॉर अडल्ट्स ओनली. बच्चे तो खा नहीं पाएंगे, तो आप मुझे ये थोड़ा सा बताइए.
See, in liqueur, we normally have 4 flavors. We do, kind of Jack Daniels, number 7, which is our chocolate flavor. Then we do Irish whiskey, which is more like Baileys. We do rum and raisin, which is like sweet rum. Then we have, again, red wine, which is in a cheesecake form. So these are all ice creams done with liqueur flavors. Now, the best part is, especially this flavor goes very well, of course, after 10, 11, during the party times. And it goes very well during the event category. So when you have your bachelor's party, when you have your Sangeet functions, so we literally have our bookings where they want us to do Sundays and stuff like that. So it is an ice cream where there is, fresh liqueur which is being procured there. And we are creating Sundays and shots, liqueur shots along with ice cream is like wawa and a win-win situation in this sort of a party. So that is where, the thought comes. Now, the second part is, when we talk about this liqueur ice creams, these are all flavors. People who understand chemistry, they would know that this is not the liqueur which will actually create, the alcohol effect in your mind. It will give you the taste, but it will not really buzz your mind, because to do that, if we add the original liqueur to it, then you need the license. So with our sort of business, we cannot, have liquor license for all the outlets. But for weddings, we do it with the topping of a liqueur. Now in states like Ahmedabad, we have recently started in Ahmedabad. So Gujarat mein, you can imagine, Gandhinagar mein, you can imagine, I mean, the amount of demand that is there for this ice cream, it really goes crazy. We just started almost a month back. The maximum supply that they'll ask for is Baileys का वाला भेज देना, chocolate वाला भेज देना. So, you know, because there people are literally craving for that. So whether it's a dry state or a non-dry state, this works both ways. So it really becomes a very win-win situation both ways.
Right, Shweta. Pramodini already confirmed that she loves rum. तो यू नो हमें तो मुझे ना लगता है कि शादी एक बार नहीं होनी चाहिए यार, 5-6 बार होना चाहिए. मतलब कितना कुछ नया नया फिर आ जाता है, वही पुराना एक बार शादी हो गया फिर like you actually kind of cut your hands because you already are married. Now here I want to ask you one thing, Shweta. You said you can do customization also. Is it possible
Yeah,
also that you
absolutely.
so how
So
exactly the
yeah,
customization can be done when you're talking about,
yeah,
suppose bachelor's party? Yes, I mean a lot of see all the people who are actually planning to get married, I believe this is the right time to pay attention, because in bachelor's party, or maybe for adults or for young people, you can actually customize your ice cream flavor, and that will be the unique selling point for your marriage. So ma'am, please.
absolutely, absolutely. So normally, you know, we had this. There's one wedding which you know the event person was from Surat. So he said he actually wrote, you know, that took the list of the flavors from the bride and the groom, their favorite flavors. So like one of them was very fond of pan, the other one was very fond of almond. So the flavors were created as per the bride and the groom. So see, in private, this when we talk about customization, how it happens is we have a very huge library. When we launched our cafe, we launched with 90 flavors, 90 flavors. So and that was like when we launched some 3 years back, and after that the list has been increasing because we keep working upon the flavors, right? So at cafe we will just limit it to like 48 flavors, but we have a large gallery. So if you ask about flavor which is very unique, and if there is a sufficient volume, we can create that. So for example, when I told you that we are doing health ice creams, so there is a particular segment. You would not have heard that for vegan people, there is a separate ice cream counter for vegan category. There is a separate segment for keto people. For whey protein, people who are into fitness, who are doing gymming, we have category for them. We have category for diabetic people, zero sugar ice creams. So all these segments we cater to. A very small example, I don't know if you have ever heard in Bombay a guy, a brand named Food Darzi. They're into customized meal plans. They give you diet plan along with the food. So they send you 4 meals during the day. So they have their presence in Delhi, Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore, Mumbai. So now their ice cream, we private label it for them because they have particular specification that my client cannot have more than this number of calories. So we already fall into that category, where we are able to create such products. So we private label their products. It is done by us. So this is the limit of customization, that supposing somebody wants to start a cafe, to have the whole know-how, to have the whole factory is not viable to start one or two cafes. So we have the know-how. You want to start with the ice cream setup, you already have a restaurant, you want to add few ice cream flavors there, we can customize it for you, we can private label it for you, flavors of your choice. You are into it.
That's actually a brilliant, I believe, business idea also as well. Like
Yeah,
suppose you are talking about the expansion also as well, since
right.
you said you started from Jaipur and all these areas, and then now Delhi, Punjab also you'll be coming. How exactly people, if they really think about taking a franchisee, or how exactly they can be associated with you to grow more as with the Molimo, and of course to have, for all of us to have the flavor in all the cities. So वो हमें थोड़ा सा बताइए.
Yeah, see, basically, during this pandemic, it has taught us a lot. So the way money is precious to us, it is same for everyone. So we have created three beautiful models where a person can start with a very small format, going to an experiential format. The first very simple format is that a person who's into any sort of business, whether it is a cloud kitchen or it is a cafe or a bakery or a hotel or anything, or even if they want to start it completely fresh, we just propose them that you need to buy two deep freezers, buy the inventory of Molimu and the software. So which does not cost actually more than 2 lakhs. Within 2 lakhs, you can start your sales online. We will not give you a physical outlet, the product will be available on Swiggy and Zomato. So Swiggy, Zomato have reached every small town. So you can start selling through Swiggy and Zomato. There is no, physical store of Molimu, but virtually it is present on all the delivery platforms. So that's the simplest model. Second model, we call it kiosk or a store in store model. Anybody who already has a space, they can just spare 200 square feet of area, and we can have a small setup of Molimu where you have, from 16 to 24 flavors, waffles, and all the basic things which can be served there. And then third, that costs you say around between 10 to 12 lakhs, the kiosk and the store in store model. So then it comes the third model, which is like an experiential model, the way we started in Jaipur, where you have a proper seating. You have people of around 25-30 people who can come sit with the family or the young crowd, come for a coffee, come for ice cream, just have desserts. So there you have the complete range of flavors with fresh live rolls, cold stones, candy bars, popsicles, everything, and have the experience of along with the taste, not just the flavors and the taste, also have the experience of the brand. So these are the three models that we are working upon. So everybody and anybody is happy to connect with us for that.
And I'm sure, like, since this is such a brilliant product, which is talking about and thinking about the health part, and, thinking about ice cream, we only thought, like, there's a fat and there's other things. But, this is talking about, Molimu is talking about protein based product, which is very healthy in its own, creation. And I believe the best part about Molimu is, like, it caters to children, it caters to diabetic people, elderly people, young people, and of course people जो थोड़ा थोड़ा बहुत दारू शारू के भी शौकीन रखते हैं उनके लिए भी. So Molimu, the best part about Molimu is catering to everyone, and of course bringing the bestest business propositions also as well. So anybody who is interested, like, and Shweta, I really wanted to ask you, this is available for all the cities, right? Aisa nahi ki it's only concentrated only on north. I mean, people who
It
are, yeah.
Yeah, it is. See, right now, because ice cream, the biggest challenge is to transport it. So
Mhm.
right now we have started our operations in north and west. So then will come, south and east. So we are just keeping hold on south and east because it gets difficult to transport till the time we do not create a central hub. So once the central hub is done, then it is viable for us to reach anywhere. But north and west is absolutely okay with us. Any city, large or small, we are okay with it.
Absolutely, I got it. So start with north and west. We are, like, absolutely in control, and धीरे धीरे बाकी cities में भी हम लोग आ जाएंगे. Ajit sir has just joined, तो उनके लिए specially श्वेता मैम आप कुछ flavor mention करना
Yeah.
चाहेंगे?
So, hi Ajit ji. Rajkot is an amazing city, the amazing place for iPhones and ice cream. So,
Thank
right.
you.
So, we are into a wonderful category of शादी के कार्ड के साथ साथ में आइसक्रीम के डिब्बे जाएं तो nothing is, more innovative and interesting. So,
For
Ajit
sure, we
ji
will think about it.
Amazing. So thank you very much, Shweta ma'am. Now, Shweta ma'am, I would like to request you to go for a presentation, because मुझे लगता है कि ये presentation अगर हम सबको एक बार दिखाएंगे, तो whatever you have told, the information that you've shared so far, it will be easier for everyone to relate and understand. तो
Perfect.
वो presentation हम एक बार
I hope you have
देखना
given me the
चाहेंगे,
screen
and उसके
sharing.
बाद then definitely.
Yeah. So, am I the co-host? Can I share my screen? Yeah. So I will not take very long. So this is basically, what I spoke about ice creams when we said what we do. So basic thing, if you see that we are really low on fat, high on protein, our ice creams are dense and not airy. They are pure natural flavors. We have the largest flavors, we have variety and unthoughtful flavor. One point which I didn't mention you, that when we talk so much about a product quality, the concern always is कि बहुत महंगा होगा, because we want to cater it to masses. We are not talking about very small segment. The brand has to become really popular. So there we did the pricing, window in, matching with the naturals. So if you all know, like naturals, we all find them very pocket friendly. So 70 rupees a scoop is something which does not hurt. So if this was also one part in the case study where we got to know from people that they say that Baskins महंगा लगता है, 100 से ऊपर रुपया आइसक्रीम पे खर्चना चुभता है. So all our ice cream category, most of the flavors are at 70 rupees, 10% are at 80 and 10 are at 90. So there is nowhere where we cross 100. So, between 70 to 90 is the price window. So this was actually the case study part that we saw, where the gap was there. So we fall into the artisanal indulgence in the affordable range rather than the ultra premium range, which is still vacant. Anybody can come in. So I would actually want you to see the product so that you see, how we create few things. So that was just about the candy bars. This will give you the feel of the cafe, how Molimu cafes look. So this was a small insight about the cafes. This is what, again, something innovative that we do is ice cream cakes, which are again molded ice creams, in a cake form. So this is our catering setup. This was just before the lockdown at Gandhinagar, a wedding of 3,000 people in March. So these are basically the expansion plan. As I mentioned, the online delivery portal can happen everywhere. So that is not because you just have to send, we say have to send the inventory and you have to send it, sell it on the online platform of Swiggy and Zomato. So the ROI is again very fast in our business. Zero sugar ice cream, keto ice cream, diet, probiotic. No one is doing actual probiotic yogurts in India, the yogurt which you actually eat at home, वो दही जिसके साथ में खट्टा जमा के you can have that all probiotic elements in that. So we do that as well. So vegan ice creams, a lot of variety in Sundays. So this is basically, if you see, about precisely about us. So if you have any questions or anything else that you would like to know, because I can go on and on for my product. So created with all, our heart and soul. Thank you so much. So anything that you would like to know?
And people are getting benefited also, the product that you've made from with your heart and soul. So I would like to have ask the members who are present out here, Neeraj ji, Ajit ji, or Pramodini, if anybody wants to ask her any question, or else we'll come towards the end of it and I'll ask Neeraj ji to kind of continue further.
So this is again, they're asking how many varieties do you cater to in weddings? So we don't have a limit. So this last wedding image that I showed you, so a very small comparison, they had booked somebody from Ahmedabad whose name is Shankar Library. So they were offering them 4 ice creams in one Sunday, right? So they came to us because we were working with a caterer in Jodhpur who was really confident of our product. We served them 12 flavors of ice cream along with the 3 cold stones. So that was like, an immense variety, because it gets very difficult for the client also to choose. You have liquor, you have fruits, you have chocolate, you have artisanal flavors. So they also want ki sabka ek ek do flavors to mile. So it is never about, the number of flavors. Number of flavors, it is, we just have to add on a flavor. The whole issue is about arranging the setup and, the manpower and the transportation, which creates a hassle. So we have the capability to serve as many flavors as you wish to. So what is the minimal area that you would require for a cafe for franchisee setup? See, when we talk about kiosk, it's the online model. There is, this area is not applicable there. When we talk about store-in-store model, it is like 200 square feet for a small kiosk. And we talk about experiential cafe, it has to be between 500 to 800 square feet to have a proper feel where at least 20-25 people can, sit and enjoy the ice creams. What are the best connects for you? So anybody who's from a food industry, somebody who's looking for a new setup to add on more revenues to their business, that becomes a very good connect for the franchisee model. Second is, of course, the caterers and the event planners who are, associated with the wedding industry, where they actually understand the premium wedding segment, where our sort of customized menu can set in. That's another very good connect. Third is that anybody who wants to start their business, we can private label for them. All the nutritionists, the high-end nutritionists, who really understand this keto and vegan requirement, all the modern trade departmental stores, they are very good connect for us, because their people search for such products which are health oriented. So where you have a very immense, bandwidth for connections. So there are a lot of people that I can get connected with in terms of this business.
Okay, there's a last question that waiting for you. Do you give consultation based on type of the guests, and how do you work closely with the caterer?
So can you a little more, explain this question? I'm not getting it completely.
I think, yeah.
Is it about the customization of menu? Yeah, so if it is customization, yes, absolutely, we can. So as we mentioned, if I just share my wedding brochure with you, the kind of menu we curate. So we have a bumblebee menu, which is like for a birthday party, or a Peppa Pig menu, which is done as per the theme. Then we have a bachelor's party menu. So when we talk about the mehendi function, we have typical, flavors like pan and dry fruit and, badam, where it is like more of a traditional event. So we customize as per the event. So baby shower hai, so then you will have the typical sunshine sort of a menu where those sort of things are done. In fact, we also do fruit based counters also. So when it is a mango season, so everything can be done around mango. So if it is a strawberry season, everything can be done around strawberries, where we have the bakery stuff along with the ice creams curated as per the event. So customization is not a problem. And the best customization happens with liquor, which we would love to do.
Yes, I believe that was absolutely wonderful. And Shweta, I'm really looking forward to kind of, have the taste of the ice cream.
Thank you.
Molly Moo,
Sending
and
you
of
the
course
sample
my
soon.
son do that, and my son for sure would take a deep dig in. He will just take a shower in the ice cream for sure, because he knows Ma is not going to stop him.
To
Right
add
this
on,
moment.
we are starting our first, cloud kitchen and a physical outlet in Delhi by between 15th Jan to 1st February. So ice creams would be available in Delhi, and I'll ensure that it reaches your place, from my side.
Right, and I'm sure all the wedding planners also are listening to the conversation, and they will be able to relate really, really, taking a decision, including Molly Move, can make actually a lot of difference. So I believe now this is the time that we've come to almost the end of this Know Your Member. And it was such a pleasure knowing you, Shweta, and of course your brand Molly Move. So now, Devanshi, over to you, and of course Neeraj sir is here. Over to you guys.
Thank you so much, Shweta and Shirin, for such a great interview. And really, I was like, when can I have that ice cream? Seriously.